In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments to Shopify 2025 full guide. First, open your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head down to Settings. This is where all of your store's backend preferences live. Inside Settings, select Payments. The Payments panel is where you connect gateways so customers can check out smoothly. In the PayPal section, choose Activate PayPal. This begins the connection for PayPal Express Checkout, which is the quickest way to let customers pay with their PayPal balance, card saved to PayPal, or even pay later options where available. When prompted, click Activate to continue. Shopify will redirect you to PayPal's secure onboarding flow so you can link or create the right account. On the PayPal page, click Next to move forward. Make sure the country and language look correct for your business, since they affect available features and compliance. You'll be asked for basic details. Click into the first name field and enter your legal first name exactly as it appears on your business or personal identity documents. Then, type into the highlighted fields to complete your profile, including business name, address, and email. Click into the phone number field and enter a reachable number for verification and account recovery. Accuracy here prevents payout delays later. Review PayPal's terms, and when everything looks good, click Agree and Create Account. If you already have a PayPal business account, you may be asked to log in and grant Shopify permission to process payments on your behalf. If your account is personal, PayPal will guide you to upgrade. It's quick and necessary to accept online payments for a store. After PayPal confirms the connection, you'll return to Shopify. Finish by clicking Activate again if prompted. You should now see PayPal Express Checkout marked as active in your payment settings. At this point, PayPal will appear as a payment option at checkout. A few quick tips to make sure you're set up for success. Verify your email inside PayPal and link a bank account so payouts don't get held. If you sell in multiple currencies, confirm the supported currencies in both Shopify and PayPal to avoid conversion surprises. Run a small test checkout to confirm the PayPal button displays and that orders are captured as expected. If you don't see the option at checkout, clear your browser cache or try a private window, then recheck your payments page to confirm activation. That's it. Your Shopify store